Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn how to use you can statements. You can eat apples in the fall. You can smell apples in the fall. You can see apples in the fall. You can pick apples in the fall. You can see tiny apples hanging on the tree. You can bake apple pie in the fall. You can eat apples with your family in the fall. In today's lesson, we learned how to use you can statements. There's more content coming your way. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.